Welcome back to my Mixed Magic. In today's video, we are going to learn about the names of spices and seeds used in our kitchen. These seeds and spices not only provide a distinctive flavor to our food, but they are very beneficial for our body. So let's get started. This is Sahil, and in this video Sahil is going to show you the names of those spices, their picture and their name in English as well as Urdu. Let's get started. Tamarind, imli, button red chili, gol mirchi, tragakanth gum, gond katira, holy basil, tulsi, saffron, zafran, sesame seed, til, caraway seeds, shahzira, raisin, kishmish, cardamom, elaichi, poppy seeds, khashkhash, dried coriander, kasuri methi, mustard seeds, rye, coriander seeds, sabit dhania, piper cubeba, kebab chini, clove, long, bay leaf, tez patta, mace, javitri, cinnamon stick, dalchini, jaggery, good, dry ginger powder, saunt, rock salt, sendha namak, screw pine, kevda, watermelon seeds, tarboos beej, stone flower, dagar phool, asafoetida, hing, fenugreek seeds, methi dana, fennel seeds, saunf, nigella seeds, kalonji, black salt, kala namak, cumin seeds, जीरा, peppercorns, kali mirchi, curry leaves, curry patta, paprika powder, long pepper, pipli, sultanas, munakha, pine nut, chilgoza, groundnut or peanut, phali, star anise, badiyan, nutmeg, जायफल, black cardamom, बड़ी इलायची, कैरम सीड्स, अजवाइन।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो सुनिए आपने ये स्पाइसेस और सीड्स वाली वीडियो, तो याद कर लीजिए इनके नाम और उनकी पिक्चर्स भी दिखाई हैं। और अगर वीडियो को पसंद किया हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करें। बाय बाय।